Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 6 chapter number 7 main crops. As we have studied this whole chapter, today we will do its exercise. Let's start. It is page number 35. Find more about the major crops wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton in Pakistan, and its answer is the most important crops are wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton, which together account for more than 75% of the value of total crops output. Pakistan's largest food crop is wheat. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Which dishes are gram and pulses used in? Name some of the pulses you have eaten. Write out a recipe for a dish using gram or pulses. And the answer of question number 2 is there are many ways of cooking gram pulses. Among those dishes are meat with gram pulse, pumpkin with gram pulse. Pulses are also used in soups, cereals, and many more dishes. I have eaten many pulses like green gram. ग्रीन ग्राम को मूंग की दाल कहा जाता है. ग्रीन ग्राम, बंगाल ग्राम, चना की दाल, रेड ग्राम, एक्स्ट्रा. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 3 is why is butter difficult to store and transport in hot weather? Find out more about the dairy products being made in Pakistan. List the names of some companies that make dairy products. And the answer of question number 3 is butter as an animal product has a short life under normal conditions. ठीक है? It melts in hot climate and quickly goes bad. It is better to keep it in a fridge, which is not always possible. Vegetable and seed oils are more stable in hot climate. Dairy products made in Pakistan are milk packs, butter, cheese, yogurt, ghee, and ice cream. Extra. Some companies that make dairy products are Omega Dairy Private Limited, Creamy Foods Private Limited, Adam Milk Foods Private Limited, Extra. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. In comparison to India, Pakistan produces a crop in a much larger quantity. What is this? What is the advantage Pakistan has in this regard? And the answer of question number 4 is as compared to India, Pakistan produces more sugar. Pakistan grows enough sugar not only to meet consumption demands but also in excess, which is exported. This is the answer of question number 4. Today we have completed this chapter with this exercise. In our next video we will discuss the next chapter. Allah Hafiz.